I be on some bullshit. Know I be driving you crazy, but I know you love how I whip it. You could only stay mad for a minute, so come here and give me some kisses. You know I'm very delicious. You know. Inside your heart, is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you're the only one to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, was only out of fear that you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Because what's the point of crying? It was never even enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? But boy's a liar, but boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. But boy's a liar, but boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. I'm good enough. 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 I'm good enough.
He say that I'm good enough. Call my think about shit that I shouldn't have. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. And it been what it been. Calling his phone like he'll send me a pin. Ducking my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit, then you do.
But boy's a liar, but boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. But boy's a liar, but boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good enough, I'm good enough. I'm good enough. I'm good enough.
Hey, it's my birthday!
How old are you?
I'm 9.
Yes.
Go look in the bathroom. Keep going. Look in the bathroom, Nana. All right. Open your eyes.
Wow!
What does it say?
Sprinkles, happy birthday, me! Meilani!
Good job.
Oh, that's me!
Yeah.
Thank you, Cindy!
Give her a hug. Give her a big
Fox.
hug. Big hug. Big hug. Hey guys, good morning. I feel like I'm just always in the kitchen now when I'm starting the vlog. Hey guys, good morning. Happy Vlogmas Day 4. Today is December 4th. And today is a very exciting day because it is my firstborn's 9th birthday. I cannot believe I have a 9-year-old. Like, what? Where has time gone? Like, I don't know, but I have a 9-year-old. Now it is 8:27. All of the kids are at school and me and Babe are going to run some errands and stuff so we can get ready to set up Meilani's little birthday party, family only type of edition. Let's take Fox to the doctor. He is still just not feeling great, so I just really want to take him to the doctor and just make sure everything's okay. So I just called them. They can see him at 9, so we're about to leave right now and go do that. And then we need to go pick up Meilani's cake, pick her up some cupcakes, take them to the school for her class, and then we got to come back to the house and start decorating. Phoenix and Fox are supposed to have speech today, but I'm gonna have to call and cancel and just let them know you know, he's not feeling good. Very busy day, but a very exciting day. So I'm so excited. I just feel like I'm gonna get emotional like when I post my little post for her in a little bit. I took some pictures of her this morning, y'all. She looks so freaking cute. We did her hair last night and I did like this super teen kind of braided hairstyle that I saw this woman do on her daughter on TikTok. So I did that on her yesterday because I originally was going to give her box braids. I think I told y'all that, but then I was just like, I want her to have box braids for Christmas. So hold on, someone's calling me. Hello? Back from doing everything we needed to do, baby. Okay, I picked up the cake, I picked up cupcakes, I dropped them off at Meilani's school. We took Fox to the doctor's office. They ran a RSV, flu, and COVID. Everything came back negative. She said that his lungs sounded really good, so like he wasn't wheezing, he didn't have anything in his lungs, and his ears were clear. So she said obviously, like, you can tell he doesn't feel well, so he probably just has some type of virus. And then they're in school now, so just parents, don't send your kids to school sick. Like, it just, I know sometimes you just don't know, like you didn't catch it that morning of or whatever the case may be, but some of y'all be knowing y'all kids be sick as hell, and y'all just give them some medicine and send them to school so y'all don't have to call out of work. And for those of y'all, I hope you hit a curb today. I hope you hit a curb today, okay? So we're about to set up for Meilani's birthday. She has 2 presents to open, and then I got her the Black Mermaid. So yeah, so it's 11:30 right now. I'm gonna go ahead and start setting up right now because I really want to chill for a little bit. I feel like we've just been doing a lot this morning. Like, we have a lot going on, y'all. It's Meilani's birthday. Fox is sick. NYLAH has a loose tooth, y'all. Literally, her tooth is about to fall out like any moment. It was jiggly, it was bleeding and everything. This is her first tooth. Like, her first tooth she's about to lose. So it's been a lot going on. It's like a crazy, crazy day. But I'm super excited. So about to clean off the dining room table and stuff so we can have a fresh canvas to decorate. And we're about to get into it.
No, it gets better, even in the rain. You gotta keep your head up. I let her tell it, she said she fed up. I'm like, whatever, when she mad, the sex better. I put the diamond on your face, about the fella. I put the B to you, and now we here together. You're the only girl for me. You're the only girl I need. You're the only girl for me. You're the only girl I need.
There's nothing in the
little squishy. You like it?
Yeah. Cute. This pink.
There you go.
This is.
What is it?
It's a mermaid. Thank you.
You love that.
Thank you, anyone.
Know it gets better, even in the rain. You gotta keep your head up. I let her tell it, she say she fed up. I'm like whatever, when she mad the sex better. I put the diamond on your face, Rockefeller. I put the me to you and now we here together. You're the only girl for me. You're the only girl I need. You're the only girl for me. You're the only girl I need.
Happy birthday.
Meilani, you had a good day? Yeah. Oh, she's so pretty. Wow.
That's so pretty. Mommy, sit back, guys.
Mama, what you doing, girl? Is it glasses? There you go. Got your clothes picked out? Clothes picked out for tomorrow?
Yeah.
For school tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, well, I'll be back up here in a little bit. I'm glad you had a good birthday, though. I love you.
I love you too, Mommy.
Ooh, say what, say what, say what? Yeah, girl, you know what's up. Ooh, say what, say what, say what? Ooh, girl, you know what's up. Me and my people be rolling, scheming on you and your homies. The very first day of summer, all combed out in a Hummer, babe. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you walk this away. You and your girls wanna ride, play all day, puff on the line. Say what, say what, say what? You know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need. Ooh, say what, say what, say what? You know that I'm out at, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. I'm digging you, I'm leaving you, and you know what's up, I know what's up, baby, and I'm wanting you.
I know I be on some bullshit. Know I be driving you crazy, but I know you love how I whip it. You could only stay mad for a minute, so come here and give me some.